To ensure limited movement of people and avoid overissuance, Cebu City Mayor Labella announced they will be distributing QR-coded quarantine passes to residents. Labella said this is part of the solutions agreed upon in a meeting with Environment Secretary Roy Simato and barangay officials. Simato has been appointed by President Duterte to oversee government response to the COVID-19 cases in Cebu. $250,000 quarantine passes in 80 barangays will be replaced. The new quarantine pass will have a QR code and alphanumerical characters unique to each holder.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.